What's up guys, this is Greg from Masterson's Car Care. You guys asked for it, so we're gonna give it to you. We now have our best-selling Masterson's Car Care supplies available in gallon sizes. So if you love our products and you're picking up our 16 ounces, you can now get jumbo size gallon sizes right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. So if you're a professional or you're a detailing crazy person just like me, you can get a full selection of gallon size products to get all your detailing done. So now in our gallon sizes, we have our super cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, our interior detail spray, our glass cleaner, our heavy duty degreaser, our detail spray, our Mystic Snow Foam. We also have our Spray Shine tire and trim protectant, our Tire Shine, and we also have our ceramic spray sealant, which is one of our best sellers. Plus, you don't want to forget our best-selling Wash and Shine shampoo and my favorite, our waterless wash. Now, you can pick these up all on our website, mastersonswax.com. Save some money, buy in bulk, and get the gallon size for mega savings and to get all your big detailing jobs done. Now, remember, if you want the best detailing supplies for your ride, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and get everything you need to get your car looking great. I'm Greg from Mastersons. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.